Friends, I'm going to show how to use the new keyboard feature which Google has released as an app called Gboard. So Gboard is a extended features which you can install on top of your existing keyboard. So I'm going to show how our existing keyboard looks like. So as you know, all the Android phones will be having these kind of keyboards, and you can type it, you can drag the keys to display the words. So these are the existing features. So on top of these features you can add Gboard, which has some additional features. So additional features in the sense like you can set the theme, you can search in this keyboard itself. So there are a lot of features which Google enabled for us to have on top of our keyboard. So you have to install that Gboard first of all. To get those features, go to Play Store and type for Gboard. So here you can see the app called Gboard, the Google keyboard. So basically when you are coming and installing first time, it is going to show as an update in the place of open. So when you update, you can see option called open. So this will give you the settings for your Gboard. So basically this is an app, but it is not a standalone app, so it will not install separately. These features will be added on top of your existing keyboard. So you can't see any app called Gboard in your installation folder or in your desktop of your phone. So once you have added, just check it whether you have got those Gboard features. So basically we have to enable it in a settings. Go to settings and look for language and input, and go to current keyboard. Here you can see one more keyboard called Gboard, so just enable that. So now I set Gboard as my current keyboard. Now go to that keyboard and see, you can see an option called G. So when I click that, it is going to show Google search. So I can search anything and I can add that information into the typing area, and I can pass it to anyone. So on top of that we have many features, like if I click this, here you can see option called Google theme. So under Google theme we have a variety of themes. You can choose whatever theme you want, and even you can enable the key border for each key. So once you have done, these changes will be reflected in your keyboard. And again on top of this theme we have some other additional information like a Google search, and even we have a preferences. So that is nothing but Gboard settings. So under preferences you have many options, whether you want to have a QWERTY key number row separately, and if you are a right-handed person, then you can have a right-handed mode or left-handed mode, and you can enable the vibrate when you press the key, or you can enable the sound. So many options are there. This is the theme which we have seen already, and we have a text correction. So we have a different corrections which you can enable it or disable it based on your preferences. And we have a slide typing. There are many features, dictionary, search, and advanced. So there are many features available in this Gboard. You can make use of these features for your easy typing and fast typing. Thank you.